Guys, look the way he makes, sweet chow mein here in the street of Kolkata, right? Now just look at this, massive pan, chili chicken here. If you love momos, guys, you let me know in the comments. And this is the chicken drumstick. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, I am in a place called Dekers Lane here in Kolkata, right? This is the busy street here. So behind me, that's the Dekers Lane. So I'm gonna show you the authentic sweet Chinese food that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? And the reason I'm shouting and speaking is because I don't have a mic, and this is the busy traffic here. So anyways, I love you guys. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go explore this place. Let's go, guys. Guys, look the way he makes, sweet chow mein here in the street of Kolkata, right? Now just look at this, massive pan, and he has, this raw chow here. Now he is making the chow. Look, guys. Hello, Dada. Kero acho apni? How are you? Huh? Oh, Dada. Kero acho apni? You're fine. Okay, guys. I was asking him in Bengali, how is he? He's like, I'm fine. Now look, guys. So he added some black pepper and salt, and he has some carrot in there, right? And some spring onion and some cabbage. Now look, guys, they are making this chili chicken over here. This is the chili chicken. Chili chicken though. Okay, look, guys. So they are making this chili chicken, right on top of the charcoal here, right? And that's how they make the sweet chili chicken here. Now they have, many different varieties of foods here, right? It's all Chinese. And if you want to take this as parcel, that's how they, parcel that in the box. And this is how it is, guys. Now look. Now they have so many different items here, right? You even get momos here, right? If you love momos, guys, you let me know in the comments. And this is the chicken drumstick, right? Chicken lollipop. Okay. And this is the chicken lollipop as well, but this is fried. And this one is tossed in, hot sauce, right? And if you want fried rice, that's the rice they use. And they have fried chicken here, right? This is how it is, guys. The shop looks like this. And I'm in a place called, Dekers Lane here in the street of Kolkata, right? Kolkata. That's the busy road there, right, guys? As you can see, the bus and everything is like, going. Well, if you go straight and, go this way, the left, you'll reach the Esplanade, main spot, right? So, this is... Hello. Dekers Lane. Now this brother is done making the chili chicken. Looks yummy, guys. It only tasty lagja, dada. I'm telling him, this is looking so tasty, Look, guys. Holy moly. That's crazy, guys. Look. না আপনি ওদিকে তাকিয়ে চলে আসছেন না না আমি গরম জিনিসটা না You can see the steam is coming out, right? He freshly made this. And if you want fried rice or chow, right, that he just made, you can enjoy that with this gravy chili chicken. Dada, apnara dry chili chicken banan na? Dry chili chicken. Right. Guys, they have been make, dry chili chicken, right? This is how it is. This one is the sauce, They made this in sauce style, right? Which is the gravy chili chicken. But if you want dry chili chicken, they will make dry chili chicken for you. হ্যাঁ ভালো হয়েছে এটা কি বানাচ্ছো দাদা Oh, chicken pakora, right, right. Guys, look, as you can see this chicken here, right? Well, here's, warming that, right? So that's the chicken pakora. Now, if you walk all the way straight down, down till or top, right till the top, right? It's all street food, right? This is how it is, guys. Now, you see that massive fish head over there. So this lane is called the Dekes lane, right, guys? And the main road is right over there. And there's brothers, they sit right over here, and they have this Chinese corner here. So if you come to Dekes lane, guys, come and visit these people and try their food. আমি বলছি আপনারা কোনদিন ডেকাস লেনে আসলে আপনার দোকানে এসে ট্রাই করতে রাইট ইয়া কুল special menu. Okay, look guys, this brother is selling kachori and bread toast. Look guys, the way they toast the bread is so unique, because they don't use any bread toaster, right? They just toast the bread right on top of the charcoal. Dada, apni etar sathe ki serve korben? Butter দিয়ে ঘুগনি দিয়ে আলুর দম দিয়ে cool অমলেট দিয়ে right আপনি বললেন তো দাদা right guys, as you can see this bread toast বলেছেন আমি শুনে নিচ্ছি কোনো অসুবিধা নেই. He serves you with butter, right? Or if you want curry, it's called the ghugni, right? It's made with grams. This is how it is. সাইজ নোটে দেব না কি করে হতে পারে এটাই দেব আপনি চিনি খাবেন না বেশি দিলে মানে কোয়ালিটি ভিডিও করে দিতে হবে কাকা কোথায় গেল তুমি কাকা দাঁড়িয়ে আছো না কাকা চাপানি কে দেখেছে কাকা ঠিক Guys, if you love chili chicken, you let me know, yeah? This is how it is. Okay, brother. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, yeah? Dada, thank you. Dada. Bye bye. Handshake. Shake hand, mother. Bye bye, bole dao. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, guys. I'm telling you to say bye bye is like bye bye. Guys, thank you for watching my vlog. If you enjoyed, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's your friend John. Let's make memories. Love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye, guys.